Everyone knows now.
Love it. I love it.
I'm going to need your answers fast, okay? Sally Obermeder, are you ready for your quick questions?
I'm ready, I think.
What is the most irritating sound to you?
Nails on a chalkboard.
Yes.
Or my child at anything before 6 a.m.
Oh.
You know when I hear and I'm thinking, oh my God, it's still dark.
What's your pet peeve?
People who are rude or people in traffic who don't wave and say thank you. Makes me crazy.
I've got a friend who hunts people down if they don't wave,
Oh.
and then he'll drive behind them until they wave.
That's me. And then I go, it's fine, I'm glad to let you in. And I'm thinking, I've become that crazy lady.
Chocolate or cheese?
So be your favourite child. Cheese.
What's your favourite cheese?
Like a triple brie, like something really,
bad.
really bad.
Yeah.
Like really good bad.
Yeah. Okay, that is bad, but awesome. Wine or cocktail?
Cocktail espresso martini any day.
I've never had one of those.
Oh, Jules.
Right, let's order one of those. What's your favourite word?
Not a swear word. I do love to swear. My favourite word would probably be darling. I tend to say it a lot.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's warm, it's affectionate.
That's a nice thing to say. Are you a scruncher or a folder?
Mixing? I like to mix it up.
Yeah,
depending on my mood. Sometimes a little aggro scrunch.
Oh, okay.
Like,
if you're in a rush.
Like in a rush, you
Yeah.
know, like scrunch.
What is your guilty pleasure?
Probably trash mags, like trash mags, trash TV, and heaps of it with a big packet of chips, and just no one bothering me. That I could live for that.
What makes you smile?
Human interaction. It can be anything from getting a coffee with the guy down the road. That sounded like I was having an affair, actually, didn't it?
The person giving you the coffee.
person giving me the coffee, not like having yeah, not that. You know, just any kind of human interaction. I always feel good.
So nice. Thank you for answering my quick question.
Thank you. Scrunch or fold.